20 ways to say I am busy in it. I am tied up right now. I'm swamped with work. I'm occupied at the moment. I'm snowed under. I'm up to my ears in work. I have my hands full. I'm overloaded with tasks. I'm slammed right now. I am engaged at the moment. I'm buried in work. I'm jam-packed with tasks. I'm caught up in something.
I'm fully booked.
I'm knee-deep in work. I'm overloaded right now. I'm stacked with work. I'm pressed for time. I'm working around the clock. I'm on a tight schedule. I'm over my head in work. I'm chasing deadlines. I'm all tied up. I'm occupied with urgent tasks. I'm stuck with work. I'm in the thick of things. I'm having a hectic day. I'm not free at the moment. I'm committed to something else. I'm handling multiple things right now.